ngot ki khynnah skul ka North Liberty High Secondary School NLHSS Jowai kawei ni skul na rilom jantia kilayo bandrung hakatop first 10 haka result higher secondary school living certificate HSSLC examination araja apsan science stream palapan mana menta kasngi da Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS ki ngot ki klur jong ka skul North Liberty ki kynhup yaka Risa E Christine Suteng kabalapoi hakakardan ba 5th position but karila naika sari kabalapoi hakakardan 9th position da kabayo distinction habaro ki subject kadba kawei ka khynnah puli jong ka Government Girls High Secondary School Jowai ka Sophia Niang kabaya khun kum ka regular 2 candidate kala yorung hakakardan 6th position jong ka commerce stream nakalyang u principal jong ka school NLHSS uba Richard B Yuria ulapan pau ka jing sngu yo blay ublay alam nanti ka school ba kanang kiu shakmat bat kini baro day da ka jing tre shitom jong baro lang naduh kinohi kai ki khynnah school bat ki kimi ki pa ulakan tu kum ki kimi ki pa ba kindan ka jing shania ki school ki badan hapo ka sor Jowai namar omdan ki wei ki jaka lat na ka Jowai wat lada yanu jor haki competitive exam ba pair ki khynnah na rilom jantia ki long ki ba hakman banya ki wei ki khynnah school na ki district shu long kinu ki khynnah school ki ba shem jing e haba let puli shapar ki la ban wan shaka North Liberty School banyalam lenti ya kalawei jongki Lyngba ki jing ai jing kai ban pen kiu ya ka imlang sahlang kumju shu ule thu pa ki khynnah school ki bale khun ya ka ne ke exam haka science bat ka arts kila pass lut 100% haka art stream kidan pynphriang ki khynnah ki be khun baro arpnyongut ki poi first division arpa ngut haka second division but khandai ngut haka third division haka science kidan saupun ngut ki khynnah ki baya khun baro sau ngut ki poi first division but ngut haka second division nakini ngut ki bala rung top 10.
I give thanks to God because He has always been there with me to always give me blessings and health. And secondly, I only like to thank my principal, my teachers, my parents for being so supportive, and they never leave my side despite, of course, I have many failures throughout this journey. Then they never fail to support me. This is what brings me in the time position.
So, hello everyone. My name is Risa E. Christine and I thank God for He has given me this opportunity to be standing here, and He has blessed me so much, me and my family, especially my school. And I thank Him for He has never leaving me, He has never forsaken me throughout all my shortcomings. And if I were to say how I got here, it was purely by His grace. I have doubted myself many times, but my teachers have helped me. My friends, my family have supported me, and most importantly, God has never left me. And throughout this journey, He has always been there with me. And that's all I'd say. And I want to put it out there to work hard and never stop believing and never stop having faith in God. That's all I'd say.
Class 10, she got the 11th position, I believe. So this is a promotion. She has come from the 11th position in class 10 to the 5th position in class 12. Rila Naika barely made it to the top 20. She was in the 20th position in class 10. And she had a very big jump from the 20th position to now coming in the 9th position of class 12 science. So these are the good things that are happening to our school. But I would also like to bring to light amongst a lot of talk about the education system in Meghalaya. In fact, I, for one, have strong belief in the education department of Government of Meghalaya, and I take pride to be one of the schools of the Meghalaya Board of School Education. And I'll tell you, I would like to make sure that our board and our state bring back the glory that once was held by our state as being the state where you could get the best education. And I believe if all parents, all teachers, all stakeholders put their trust in our state and in our board, we can bring back the past glory of our state. In fact, seeing my children come from class 10 and now graduating through class 12, if the system is not right, this will not happen. And I'll tell you, our students who have studied in MBOS from the beginning till class 12 have made it to the Meghalaya quota for medical seats. In fact, last year, 7 of our students were placed in the Meghalaya quota for medical. If the education system offered by our state and MBOS is not good, how can that happen? We are at par. But we need to trust, we need to believe that our state can, our teachers can, our school can, then our board will be the best board. So my prayer and request to all schools who are under the Meghalaya Board of School Education, let us join hands and work together to make our state a state that other people from other states will want to come and study. My dream would come true when I see that students from other states will come back to Meghalaya and study in the different schools and colleges of Meghalaya. So once again, I thank one and all for this great result. The teachers have done their job. Today morning, after the results were declared, I called the teachers and congratulated them. This result would not be possible if the teachers hadn't done their part. And I believe that the teachers have worked hard, the students have worked hard, and we have reaped the fruit of their hard work. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate all the students of North Liberty. In fact, I give my best wishes to the students who have passed today from the different schools of Meghalaya. I wish them all the best in their future endeavors. I wish them success. May they become great men and women for the future of our state. Once again, before I end and conclude my speech, I would like to give God the glory, God the honor. If it wasn't for God, we would not be here today. And I believe my students believe the same. God has been with us all along. When we put our faith in God, and when we do our part of working hard and doing our best, God never leaves us. So above all, God has been there with us. And I pray that God continue to be with the students who passed this year, both in class 10 and class 12. I pray that they will have great future and that they will find and accomplish the dreams that they have in their heart. Dan dugi digitian kunjat, khubor zai se ni gini bagi pa anu ini, bagi mamyau ini, bagi jinsnya yang pi ke North Liberty. The what's pi ke North Liberty.